Hey guys, it's Chris here with Prestige Auto. Today we've got this 2000 Ford Expedition in the garage. It's throwing a code for a C1206. Has something to do with the ABS. Got an ABS light on in the dash, and it's causing the brakes to be a little squishy and just not braking right. So we're going to pop this hood, and I'll show you guys how to get to the ABS module. We're going to have to pop it off, and it's the little coils inside of it. They probably got some corrosion on them. It happens. So we'll pop that thing off, we'll spray some cleaner in there, and put it back together and see if we can't get that ABS light to go away. Okay, so you can see the ABS light on up in there, right there. And this is the code that it's giving us, C1206. And you can read what that says. Alright, so let's jump out and let's get that module apart and see if we can't clean that coil up. It's saying that the rear coil circuit is having a failure. Okay, so the ABS module is right underneath this thing. So we're going to need to remove the air box here, all this, and this piece right here. So this is held down with two 10mm bolts, one there, and then one over here, right there. So just take this off, keep up with your bolts, set them to the side, and then up inside there's a flathead like this, like the clamp. Up in there, we'll loosen that up, we'll loosen this one up, and we'll pop this off, set it up there to the side. Okay, then we'll take off this clamp, take apart this air box, get it separated, and we'll pop all this stuff out of the way, get it up there out of the way. Make sure that you unplug your MAF sensor right here, and be careful when removing this right here. There's a sensor inside there too. It's got a wire attached to it. I didn't unclip it, I just undid it and set it up there. So let's take all that crap out. Alright, we've made it down to it. That was easy enough. Like I said, we just had to remove all the air box stuff that was right here. Pretty easy. Only took a 10mm and a flathead screwdriver. So there's your ABS module right there. Right there. And what we need to do is we need to unplug this plug right here. There's a plug on the side right there. We'll unplug that. Just clip it down. Then you can see right there on all four corners there is, I think it's a T20 star bit like that. We'll remove all four of those and then just gently jiggle up on it and it will separate. You can see right there will be 1, 2, and then 3 and 4 on the other side. It's going to separate from this block. Just pull it up. There's like some little piston looking things and little valve looking things in there. So let's take all that stuff, let's take all them plugs apart and get those bolts out. Alright, we've got the plugs unplugged and we got the 4 screws out. So we're going to grab this thing and just gently just wiggle up and pull up, and it comes right off. And this is how it looks on the inside. Alright, and these are all your little coils. Sometimes they get corrosion on them inside of them up there on the computer board. Inside, it looks like that. And then sometimes those get corrosion on them also. That one looks pretty clean, but we're going to clean it up anyways and put it back together and see if that'll clear that code off. Okay, so let's clean it up. Let's get some electrical cleaner and spray it inside there and spray it on that and blow it off with some compressed air. Okay guys, so we've cleaned that up a little bit, and we've cleaned this up with some electrical cleaner, and blew it out with air. And now we're just gonna slide this back onto those little valves right there. Make sure you line them up good and just kind of set it back down into place, just like that. Now we're gonna put those 4 bolts back in. Don't forget to put your plug in right here. That's to your pump motor. Plug it in, and then the plug on the end. And then we'll put all this stuff back together and go inside and see if it cleared that ABS code. Alright, she's back in there. We got all the screws in, got the plugs back in. So now let's put all this stuff back together. Alright, we got her all put back together. It's not a very tough job, but let's see if it works. Climb in here and turn the key. Alright, it's gone. So that did work, guys. So if you've got a C1206 and it's popping up your ABS light and you're not sure what to do, give that a try. Get into your ABS module there, clean up those coils, and get it all put back together. And man, that might just fix it up for you. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope this helped for you. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep the videos coming.